Red. Another one, guys. Another new one. Day after Christmas. Of course, I got some gift cards. Of course, I'm not going to wait. So here it is. The latest one that I was eyeing up is the M18 angle grinder. The 4.5 inch with the 9.0 high demand red lithium system. We're going to take a look at it. Got this again at my local Milwaukee dealer. And let's pop it open, take a look. The deal that these guys are running is if you buy the battery starter kit, the 9.0 with the charger, I think it was like $225, $250, you get a free tool basically. So this is the tool that I've been eyeing up for a couple months, thinking that I was going to get this, the grinder. So what we're going to do, of course I left my razor or my knife in the house. So I'm going to pop this open, take a look-see at her. Alright. Okay, so first things first. That's kind of weird. You got the little handle doodad here. Looks pretty nice as far as ergonomics are concerned. I'm not really sure what that is. It looks like just the discharge piece. We've got a guard. Let's see what else we got. We got another charger, rapid charger. So I got 37 chargers around now. This looks like it's the grinder itself. There we go. We got the grinder part itself. Put that aside. Got the little wrench for the locking program. Got some paperwork as usual. And let's see what else we got. And this looks like the battery. So that's all that's in the box. Here for now. It doesn't come with a case, or it doesn't come with like a bag or anything like that. No big deal, really. Really don't use that anyway. I usually just pile them up underneath my workbench and forget about them, but some of them are nice to have, like the blow mold carry case or whatever, in case you want to take it somewhere and you don't really have anywhere to put it. But this probably won't be leaving the garage anyway, so no biggie. There it is, the Big Man Pajama 9.0. Damn, that thing's pretty freaking huge. That's the Niner. M18 Niner. Wow. That's a big freaking battery. Ugh, one blip. One blip on the thing. Nice. Alright, so let's take a look at this. Got that away, that away. I'll put this on real quick just to make it official. Let's see what we got here. No, this looks like a little dust shield or something, a spare one of sorts. That's kind of weird. I'll have to actually look in the directions, find out what that is. Throw the little handle piece on here. This thing's actually pretty nice. Looks like it'll take a lot of the vibrations away. Let's see what we got here. Nice little locker deal here. That. This looks like it will cog. Alright, let's take a look-see here. looks like it'll go there. Alright, I gotta figure out how this works. Let me just fire through the directions real quick. Okie dokie. Alright, so looks like line up tabs and grinder with the slots in the guard. That's what I thought I was doing. Okay. Press in the guard lock lever and press the guard onto the tool. Alright, I think I see what's going on here. Yeah, looks like it just slides. At least I think that's what's happening here. Alright, I'm not screwing around, just fire this bad boy on. That. This piece here. Alright, and then we'll read up more on that later. Cool. So here it is. I'll give you a little toursies. Got a lockout, so you have to actually flip this program here to get it to go. A little bit of a delay in the startup, which is kind of weird. Might take a little bit of getting used to there. Nice rubber handle here. That's pretty sweet. Big battery again. But the tool itself feels really nice and robust as usual. Heavy body. Real beefy. Nice nice feeling. Doesn't feel cheap, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Again, it comes with this wrench. Comes with the charger. I'll have to get some testing on it then. But as far as actually holding it and feeling it, comparing it to some of my other ones, doesn't feel too bad. It's pretty sweet. Alright guys, well I'm going to throw this on the charger and we'll do some testing once I get a full battery. But this is the fuel brushless 4.5-inch grinder, 2780-20, and just a little quick unboxing. Comes with the 9-liter high demand battery. Pretty cool stuff. Feels pretty awesome actually. Can't wait to use it. Probably be a nice addition to the welding cart and just random projects around here. I'll try to get a video of comparing it to my corded DeWalt that I've been using, the old workhorse. So, all right, we'll get some testing videos up soon for you guys, but this is the Milwaukee Fuel brushless grinder kit with the M18 red lithium 9.0 battery. Pretty crazy. Really nice piece, actually. Feels really good. Doesn't feel cheap at all. So I'll throw a flap wheel on there, or a grinding disc, wire wheel or something, and play around with it. But that's what I got for you on this guy. Nothing too exciting right now. It's like 20 degrees out in the garage, so just trying to do something real quick. That's it. And catch us in the next one for some other some demos on it or whatever. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.